Alright, hey, what's up everybody? Gonna be doing a review of the aluminum rigid handcuffs by ASP. The folding. So they come with the handcuffs, come with a single key, come with a nylon handcuff strap. I don't know how that's gonna work. Okay. So we'll go ahead and we will take these out. Here. I'll give you a good look of them. And this just takes a standard handcuff key in the middle. It's universal to be able to go ahead and fold those down. The back side, double keyed. That way, if you would happen to put the key, the cuffs on upside down, doesn't matter really which way you put them because you know you're able to release them either way, which makes it nice because I'm sure everyone's been handcuffing somebody, actually put them on the wrong way, and then when you go to take them off, you're a little leery because you don't want the person to try to elbow you in the face or something because you're underneath of them and take the cuffs off. So what I like about them is I could take my hand, well, I'm right-handed, so I would take my hand, put it on there while I'm holding with the others, and just snap them on. Snap this one, snap this one. It's just nice. Then that way, if they are handcuffed, I could just take my hand and I can hold right here. I have good control of them. So we'll go ahead and we'll pull the key out real quick. We'll set these to the side. Okay, what do we got here? A little baggie. Okay. So just a small standard ASP key. Set that down so we can take a look at it. Just one claw. When I originally read the description on this, I was actually a little bit deceived because I actually read where it said that it was 2-claw high security key. So I bought an extra 2-claw security key, which I will not be able to use with these because doesn't need one. So just be aware of that. So go ahead and take these, put it in here, take you, turn you, you should collapse, and you do. Okay, see, there we go. Now they collapse. Now you're not going to be able to put these in a standard handcuff holder, handcuff pouch. You have to use a handcuff strap or a double cuff handcuff pouch. Super nice though. So these are unfolded. You just flick them out when you pull them out. They stay. They're not gonna move. Like I said, super nice, super rigid. Obviously, goes with the name. So now we'll go ahead and we'll get into this nylon handcuff strap. Go ahead and you guys are gonna think I'm crazy. Stuff actually came from New York and obviously the coronavirus. And I'll spray that down real quick. Damn, what kind of bag is this made out of? It's gonna come apart. Here we go. Okay, so there's a nylon handcuff strap that it comes with. Sorry, it's a little hard doing this with one hand. See if I can pull it open. Give me a sec here. Okay, so obviously it just buttons together, pops together. Go through your belt, obviously. The cuffs will sit in there. I don't know how I like that. We'll take a look at that real quick. Break this open. Give them a fold. Wrong way. Alright, so we'll get these to fold real quick. Take these. I wonder how hard. Because it barely looks like it's big enough. It would work. I would say it doesn't look very professional. Me, myself, I would not carry these. I have a leather handcuff strap on my duty belt already that I'll use. But, I mean, you can obviously see, you know, super nice cuffs. So, man, these damn buttons are together. So, you're definitely, that's something I'd worry about too, is trying to pull the damn cuffs off and don't know when to come. Alright, so set these right here. See what else is inside here. This is the paper that it came inside of the cuffs. It says aluminum rigid handcuffs. We'll go ahead and we'll open this up inside. So this is basically this diagram of, well, you know, basically a schematic of the cuffs, you know, the construction of them. Finished polymer body, nickel plated bow. So they weigh 7.8 ounces. So there's all that, just in case you want to screenshot it. So open this up. It actually has a like a little tie, you know, basically instructions and stuff on how to handcuff somebody and stuff. Here's some more just about the cuffs, the construction of them. To flip this around to the back. So, basically right here, this is ASP showing off some of the products that they have for you to be able to store your cuffs. So, hold this up. So, I mean, overall, I'm super happy. I would recommend, though, shout out to Shield Box. These cuffs are about 90 bucks on Handcuff Warehouse, which, you know, Handcuff Warehouse is supposed to be cheaper. And they were still $90 on there. So, shout out to Shield Box. Paid 45 bucks for them. Took 3 days to ship. Super awesome quality. I was super excited when I seen them on the website. These came in, I believe, the January box. I did not have a subscription, so I missed out on it. I seen other reviews on these handcuffs, and I was like, man, I gotta get a pair. Well, I was looking on Shield Box's website and noticed that they had these bad boys for 45 bucks included shipping. They're about $48, so 50 bucks. I mean, pay about half price for some super nice cuffs that I feel safe using. I'll use every day as an officer, and you know, I couldn't ask for better cuffs and couldn't ask for, you know, a better deal. So shout out to Shield Box on that. So like I said, ASP aluminum rigid handcuffs. If you're looking to buy them, I would recommend going to Shield Box. Thank you, everybody. Have a nice day.